Hello there, just watched the movie Life After Beth. This came out in 2014. It's rated R and 1 hour and 29 minutes. It is considered, what kind of movie is it considered? Maybe a horror movie? Dark comedy? The premise of this movie is a young man is thrilled to learn his girlfriend has returned from the dead. The only difference now is she likes to eat people. Very campy movie. Extremely campy. A ton of big names in this movie. I was very surprised to see how many recognizable performers were in it. So the casting was great. Acting was fine. Story was campy. It was a bit silly. There is gore in this movie, so if you don't like gore, or if it is something that you don't like, you know, having in your films, this is definitely one to skip. I would say this is a dark comedy. It's how I would classify it. Not one I'd watch again, and I'd probably wind up giving it like a 2 out of 5 stars. I just didn't, I don't know, I just didn't think it was that entertaining. But I did like seeing all of the different performers that had cameos in this movie. So if you've seen Life After Beth, let me know what you thought of it. I'll link it below. And if you haven't seen it, do you like to watch movies that are dark comedies? Let me know. I typically do enjoy dark comedies, but I think this may have been like trying to be a horror film or something. I'm not even sure, because yeah, I can't really see what it's listed as, what type of movie. But yeah, I'd say if you haven't watched it up to this point and you're not a really big zombie movie fan, this would be one to skip. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one.